Believe it or not, I actually want you to use your phones today because I'm going to teach you how to actually study using Copilot. So, take out your phone and I want you to go to the Canvas app. If you haven't downloaded the Canvas app, please download it now. I'm going to go to it now. I'm assuming you haven't downloaded. So I'm going to go to Canvas. So for me, it's Canvas Teacher. It'll be Canvas Student for you. Go to your Algebra 1 class. Go to Modules. And I've made all the way at the top, you'll see SOL Algebra 1 Review. Now, where you see the SOL Preparation for Algebra 1 PDF, we'll use that as the example. Click on that. And as you see, it brings up that document, the paper document you have. And you can also take a picture of the document, but this shows you can actually look at the questions that are here. So I'm going to go and let's try to do number 13. I'm going to do number 13. So you're going to take a picture, screenshot. All right. And then you take the screenshot and you shrink it down. So you just have number 13. It's kind of hard to get it, but you can get it close. Okay, there you go. Number 13. And you save. Now you have to go find it. Hopefully you know how to do that. For me, I have to go to my Files folder, and there it is. And I want to share it. So I'm going to share it. Well, actually, I'm going to have you see it first, okay? You see 13's right there. Then I'm going to share it. And I'm going to share it with Copilot. I generally use Claude, but since you guys have Copilot, click on Copilot. And I'm going to tell Copilot, please show me how to answer question 13. All right, and see, it shows you the question. And then I'm just going to go through it slowly. As you can see, it talks to everything that you need to do. Shows you all the stuff. I'm getting some of my messages from Pakistan. So rewrite the whole fraction. 144 divided by 6. Hopefully you see that. And you pause this video so you can see everything that's happening. X to the negative fourth divided by x to the fourth is x to the negative 4 minus 4. Remember subtraction when you're dividing. For y to the negative 3, it's y over 1 over y to the negative 3. And if I move that y to the negative 3 from the denominator to the numerator, remember, the negative becomes a positive, so that's y to the third. So again, remember, you cannot have a negative exponent. So you have 24 times x to the negative 8 times y to the third. And so that changes to that. So your final answer is that. Now, gave you an answer. Hopefully you take a look, you understand it. And now the next thing is ask Copilot to give you a new question to try. So that's what I'm going to do. Please give me a similar question so I can practice. There you go. So I'm going to stop here. So you would then try to do it yourself. See what your answer is. And once you're done, then you can tell, if you want, I can walk you through it after you try it. Or you can tell me your answer and I'll check it. So if you come up with an answer, I would put the answer in. You might have to draw it on a piece of paper, take a picture of it, and then upload it to Copilot with your phone so it can take a look at the answer and it'll tell you if it's right, and if it's not, it'll walk you through it, and then you can practice another one. So anyway, this is for all the questions that are on that SOL practice sheet, or any other questions you find that are in your notes or that have been on Canvas, on previous tests, previous checkpoints, all of that. Yes, AI is good. Use it to help you. All right, I hope this helps. Bye.